What's up you guys, welcome to my channel. I am back with another new video. A few days back, the Chinese smartphone maker Vivo launched its premium mid-range series, the Vivo V20 with two new smartphones. Taking after larger smartphone makers, the company has now unveiled a toned-down and budget-friendly model of the series dubbed Vivo V20 SE. Design and display as compared to its sibling, the Vivo V20 SE comes with different design. It features a rectangular camera bump on a glossy back with Vivo's typical paint job that mimics the ray of light. It is built around a 6.44-inch AMOLED panel with 1080p resolution, a water drop notch, and an in-display fingerprint sensor. The phone derives its processing powers from Snapdragon 665 chipset, topped with 8GB RAM and 128GB expandable onboard storage. It boots on FunTouch OS 11 based on Android 10. Vivo V20 SE houses a triple sensor camera at the back, led by a 48-megapixel primary shooter. The main module is complemented by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 2-megapixel depth helper. The selfie cam has a 32-megapixel sensor. The whole package is fueled by a 4100 mAh battery with 33-watt wired fast charging. According to the company, it can top up to 62% in 30 minutes. The smartphone costs around $287 and its availability is yet to be announced. Along with the Vivo V20 SE, the Chinese smartphones OEM has also launched its very first smartwatch with a premium design and a couple of top-notch features. The smartwatch looks a lot like a recently launched Xiaomi Hilo Solar. It has a similar sleek dial with thin bezels. The Vivo watch comes in two different models based on the frame size and design. It is available in 46mm and 42mm version. The larger variant is built around a 1.39-inch AMOLED panel. The smaller models support a 1.19-inch AMOLED screen. It is constructed using stainless steel, which according to the company is tougher than common aluminum alloy and can easily resist daily wear and sweat. The bezels are made using precision ceramics. The dial can be connected to Napa leather strap or fluorolatimer strap. Other features: the watch comes loaded with 6 built-in sensors, including blood oxygen, accelerometer, air pressure, ambient light, and positioning. The wearable can monitor 11 types of sports monitoring such as outdoor running, swimming, cycling, mountaineering, etc. Although the company has not detailed the exact battery capacity for both variants, the 42mm version is rated at 9 days of a normal usage, while the 46mm doubles it to 18 days. Both Vivo watch will be available for sale in China by 28 September at a $191 price tag. So what do you guys think about this video? Let me know down in the comment section. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. Thank you.
And I'm losing my mind for the days, 'cause you